Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Box File Access in a React Native app step by step clearly. To connect Box File Access in a React Native app, start by creating a Box Developer account. Log in to the Box Developer console. Create a new application by selecting the Create New App option. Choose Native as the platform for your application. Fill in the required details and save your app settings. Now, note down your client ID and client secret from the app settings. Next, install the necessary dependencies in your React Native project. Run the command npm install Box Node SDK. After installation, configure the Box SDK in your app. Import the Box SDK in your main application file. Use your client ID and client secret to authenticate the SDK. Implement the OAuth 2 flow to allow user authentication. Use the Box API to initiate the OAuth flow with the appropriate redirect URI. Handle the redirect in your app to capture the authorization code. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using the SDK. Securely store the access token for future API requests. Now, you can start making API calls to Box. Test file upload by using the Box SDK's upload method. Implement functionality to list files in a user's Box account. Make sure to handle any errors during the API requests gracefully. Finally, test the app on a physical device to ensure connectivity with Box. Review the documentation for advanced features and functionalities. Your React Native app is now set up to connect with Box File Access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.